So welcome to Honest Abe Living in the Kitchen. We are excited to bring to you one of our favorite suppers, and it is beef stroganoff with a little bit of a twist. You ready to get cooking, Axel?
Yeah.
So a couple things that I just wanted to mention whenever we're cooking beef especially is I love to use a cast iron skillet. We love Lodge, they're a Tennessee company, but I use cast iron every day, especially when I'm cooking my ground beef. When I was pregnant with the boys, that was one problem I didn't have, was I didn't have an iron deficiency, and I do credit that to using cast iron to cook with. When you're browning your ground beef, don't forget to salt and pepper it. And one other little trick that I do to enhance that beef flavor is I take a beef bouillon cube and I put in there, and that just kind of enhances the flavor of the beef. So, fun little helpful trick. I hope that helps. And another little thing, instead of using egg noodles, we actually like these egg fettuccine noodles that we just found at our local grocery store. They are amazing, and I think makes this dish even better. So those are just a few little things that we do a little bit differently on our beef stroganoff recipe, but I hope that you and your family will enjoy it. All right, so once you brown your hamburger, you are going to chop up an onion, and this is one of the coolest tools ever. I don't know if y'all have seen these, but they're little choppers that you can, this makes chopping up an onion a lot quicker. So we're gonna chop up our onion. Awesome job. All right, so once you have your hamburger browned, you're just gonna put it in a different bowl, and we are gonna cook the onion in the same skillet. Hamburger, yeah, this is called hamburger. It's ground beef. So once we get the ground beef done, we're gonna put it in another dish, and then we're gonna cook our onion in it. And while you're doing this, go ahead and start boiling your water for your noodles. Also, go ahead and be boiling some water. I actually have a beef bouillon cube in there just to make the noodles more flavorful. Excuse the big dent in my pan. So we take all of our scraps and we either feed, the dogs if they're pet friendly, or we feed them to our chicken or pigs. So sometimes this one got dropped, it looks like, while feeding or recycling. I like to say recycling any waste that we may have. All right, so we are going to cook the onions until they're slightly brown. And then we're going to add our other ingredients in. All right, so now we're just going to add our beef broth, our Worcestershire sauce, and all of our seasonings. All right, so I've just added in our cream of mushroom. So since our mixture is boiling and about ready, we're just going to go ahead and put our noodles in our boiling water. Next, we're going to stir in our sour cream, and then we are going to add our beef mixture back to it. And then once our noodles are done, we will just pour our beef mixture on top of the noodles and enjoy. So thanks for tuning in to Honest Abe Living in the Kitchen as we prepared beef stroganoff. We're excited to eat this tonight, and we hope you enjoyed it as well. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you again soon.